today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a vegan chili. Let's get on to that. Right now I'm going to heat up my hob, and then I'm going to fry down 5 chili peppers, half an onion, 3 whole bell peppers, and 10 mini carrots. Now I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil into my wok. Then I'm going to leave my oil to heat up so I can fry these down. Now that's done, I'm going to add in my 4 garlic clovers, a teaspoon of jerk marinade, all-purpose seasoning, everyday seasoning, salt and black pepper. And then I'm going to add in 2 tins of chopped tomato. 2 tins of red kidney beans. And 2 tins of black beans. And then I'm going to mix it up. And I'll see you after it's done. Now it's all cooked down for a little bit and the flavours have been mushed up together. I'm going to add 500 ml of vegetable stock. Then halfway through, I'm going to add 2 handfuls of sweet corn and a squeeze of lime juice. See you after it's finished cooking. Now it's all cooked down and it's plated, it's time to eat. That is delicious. Now thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed and see you next time.